project. And after that, we did for water project, then come to the building project. I think I feel happy. I feel good while working with them. Very new things to learn. We learning every day. We learning new things.
Project and pretty much work hard about